Hey everyone! Today we're checking out 10 amazing kitchen gadgets that will make cooking easier, faster, and more fun. From time-saving tools to clever hacks, these gadgets are a must-have for every kitchen. Let's dive in. I am showing you a multifunctional slicer cutter which you will get with a container. In this container, however much you chop onions or you want to chop eggs, tomatoes, everything gets cut in it and you can easily take it out from this container into your utensil, and this is a very nice stick basket paper for steaming. If you want to make momos or any other snacks, you can use this paper there. You can also use it by keeping it in your steel utensil, and you can also keep it in your basket etc. for steaming. After this, I am showing you the waffle maker. It is very much trending these days. You can also use it in your home like to make omelette of eggs etc. or if you want, you can also make your sandwich in it. You can also make waffles. It is very much trending these days. Guys, you will get this type of thing here, which I will do your 1 hour work here in the window, and you do not have to do any hard work in it. And this is an oil-free popcorn machine. So you can make your own popcorn sitting at home, that too oil-free. You do not need to put any oil in it. All you have to do is put a packet of popcorn in it and the popcorn comes out just like the ones in the market. You don't have to put in any effort for this. Apart from this, I am showing you a rotating trolley rack which is made of 5 parts. You can keep your vegetables and fruits separately in many partitions. No matter how many vegetables and fruits you have, they all fit in it because it has a very large capacity, and at the time of cleaning, you can move it and clean it easily. After this, I am showing you the washer dryer here for washing vegetables and fruits. This is a very good rotating one which is very good for washing your vegetables. You can hold its handle and rotate it well and then wash your vegetables and fruits very well. It gets cleaned very easily. But this is a wireless meat food chopper. This is a mini one, but it is very amazing. In this you can chop your food, be it chili, garlic or meat etc. You can crush it very well and chop it in it. It works in minutes. This is a cutting chopping board. This chopping board is amazing. You can chop the vegetables by rubbing them from both the sides because it is easy to wash as well. You can also crush ginger and garlic in it. Along with this, you can cut any vegetable in it. It is very easy to wash it if it gets dirty because it gets cleaned well in just one go. After this, I am showing you the trolley storage organizer which comes in black and in this square apple. You will also get wheels in it, and in these 4 layers you can store many of your vegetables. If you want, you can unfold it line by line and shift it to any corner, and this is a garlic press chopper. It is made of steel. In this, you can chop your garlic very well in one go without any effort, and you do not need to put any effort in it. If it gets dirty, you can also wash it easily. I will show you a wall corner shelf, which is a rotating shelf. One way is that after fixing it on the corner of your wall, you can take out your things from it after rotating it properly. You can take out the things whenever you want. This makes your kitchen counter look very clean. It appears empty and all the things get stored on your wall.